here. I am standing in what is soon to be the Peaceful Warrior Garden here in Englewood, New Jersey at the Bergen Family Center. We are running a program called Peaceful Warriors within the Bergen Family Center, where we're going to have a group of young people ages from 10 to 15 years old come and help revamp this space and create it into a healing garden for education, for healing, and for different types of activities within the community. I'm reaching out to you today because this is a very, 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 very special project that our students are going to be working on, and we need your support, because by creating safe spaces, by creating beautiful green spaces, we're now allowing our youth to learn skills by using their hands, by getting out into nature, by learning how to use tools and how to be self-sustainable human beings. So nature is very healing. Working with your hands is very healing. Getting your hands into some soil and the earth, planting seeds into the earth, is a really transformational, transformative experience to really be one with nature, to be present. And that's what this program is all about. It's about mindfulness, it's about leadership, it's about mentorship. We're going to be bringing in some really cool partners. Apiary in the Sky, good friend of mine, Marcellus Counts from Newark. He's going to be coming in, educating students on beekeeping and that process and that lifestyle and the importance of beekeeping to preserve this beautiful space. Hopefully you can see the potential. Obviously we have some invasive weed species, all different types of things going on here. So safely we're going to have our students work on cleaning the space and making it their own.